Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore some interesting facts about the famous Tirupati Balaji temple located in the state of Andhra Pradesh. So let's get started. Venkateshwar Temple is a Hindu temple situated in the hill town of Tirumala at Tirupati in Chittoor district of Andhra Pradesh, India. The temple is dedicated to Venkateshwar, a form of Vishnu, who is believed to have appeared to save mankind from trials and troubles of Kali. Hence the place has also got the name Kaliyug Vaikunth, and the Lord here is referred to as Kaliyug Pratyaksha Devam. The temple is also known by other names like Tirumala Temple, Tirupati Temple and Tirupati Balaji Temple. The secret behind an unknown village. Every day, the deity of Tirupati Balaji temple is worshipped with flowers, holy leaves, buttermilk, milk, and clarified butter. However, the fascinating aspect is that each of the items used in worship is sourced from an unknown village present at 20 kilometers from Tirupati temple. Other than the locals, none of the tourists have ever visited this small village. Real hair of Balaji. One can see smooth, silky, real and tangle-free hair worn by the Lord of Tirupati Balaji temple. However, there is a story behind the flawless locks we see. Legends say Lord Balaji lost a few of his hair during an unexpected incident during his reign on the earth. However, Neela Devi, one of the Gandharv princes, cut a part of her glorious hair and requested the Lord to plant the chopped locks on his own head. Lord Balaji was extremely pleased and promised to bless all the devotees sacrificing their hair at his feet. Since then, shaving off their hair before the deity has become a custom among the devotees. The idol of the Lord not in the center. Even though the idol of Lord Balaji appears to be standing at the center of the sanctorum, it is not true. Technically, the idol is on the right-hand corner of the inner sanctum. Perpetually lit lamps. According to mythology, many believe that the light from the heart of devotees for their beloved deity never goes out. This same belief holds true for the earthen lamps placed before Lord Balaji inside the temple. In fact, the lamps placed near the idol remain lit forever, and there is no record about who first lit the lamps and when. Misty idol. Despite the priests trying their best, the back of Lord Balaji's idol at the Venkateshwar Swami temple always stays moist. No one can explain why is that so. Interesting, isn't it? Sea waves behind the idol of Lord Balaji. One can hear the sea waves when he put his ear to the back of idol's image in the temple. Flowers offered seen at Vapurdu. According to the rule, priests of this holy temple don't throw the flowers offered to the deity during morning worship out of the sanctum. Instead, the flowers are thrown into surrounding waterfalls that flow behind the back of Lord Balaji's idol. Moreover, the priests make sure not to look at the deity's back to the full day. What is interesting is that you can see the same discarded flowers at Varpedu, located 20 kilometers away from the temple. Venkateshwar Swami had once appeared in real. During the 19th century, the king of Andhra Pradesh sentenced 12 culprits to death for their monstrous crime. After their death, their dead bodies were left to hang on the walls of Balaji temple. Many believe that Lord Balaji himself appeared in real when the incident took place. The Balaji idol survives various strong chemical reactions. Science says green or raw camphor derived from the cinnamon camphora tree can cause fissures and cracks on any stone it falls on. However, the idol of Sri Venkateshwar Swami is resistant to camphor's chemical reactions, though it is often smeared with it. Sweaty deity of Lord Balaji. The Lord Balaji idol may be carved from stone, but it is full of life. The idol maintains 100° Fahrenheit temperature even though its surrounding areas stay cool as they are 3,000 feet above the sea level. Every morning when priests perform Abhishekam, the idol appears to sweat. Priests often wipe off the sweat using silk fabric. Also, every Thursday, priests find that the ornaments are warm when removed from the idol. This was all about this video. If you were able to learn something new today, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Also, hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications. In case you have some suggestions or questions, then feel free to write in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.